My name is Bobby Gohel, and today I will show you how to download Antigravity and how to configure it with our Google account, and what is the Antigravity and use of that Antigravity. So first, let's get started with we navigate to the Antigravity site. Open your browser and type the Antigravity. So Antigravity, whenever you type the Antigravity, that times the first link will display over here. Click on the Google Anti-Gravity. So Anti-Gravity is a product of the Google, and simply click over here. Simply you click on the this link and it will automatically download into your system. After downloading the exe file, I will show you. I already downloaded the yesterday anti-gravity. This is my anti-gravity exe. Simply double click on that and install into your PC. I have already installed my PC, so I haven't installed this anti-gravity. And it is a Google product, so it's very easy to use and very handy. So I'm opening the anti-gravity and it will open my current project. Whenever you work on the last projects, then it will open the last project. Simply whenever you download and install into the your PC, that times it will display the new window. Simply you go over here, and first step is that configure your Google account with this anti-gravity. You can simply sign in and it will automatically your Google account will connect with anti-gravity. You can type hi. So simply it works like whenever you paste your prompt or type your prompt and hit the enter, that prompt will goes and add into the your model, and your AI model will gives the answer based on the asked question or given the prompt. So simply click over here hi, right? So let's we see what it's giving the answer. So I simply send the hi, and it says that hello, I am anti-gravity, your coding assistant. Means this anti-gravity is our coding assistant. I am here to help you with any programming task. Means that will help us to do any programming task. And you can also paste anything. You can also upload your file, upload you can chat on the terminal also, and you can affiliate your conversation over here, and you can open the browser from here also. So this is a anti-gravity interface, and you start chit chat with anti-gravity, and it will gives a best answer as a possible. So this is a anti-gravity interface. I hope you get the knowledge of anti-gravity, how to configure it, and what is the anti-gravity, how it work in a backend, and how it work logically. Next video I will share with you based on the skill.md file, what is the skill.md file and how it's work with the anti-gravity. That's it. If you like this video, please like it, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.